Okay, so today I'm going to be using Timescape Zoro. Okay, so I'm going to be using Timescape Zoro because I wanted to. Anyways, I'm probably going to do like 5 matches because I need to upload another video. I haven't uploaded. It's the weekend. Yeah. The only thing I have to know about Timescape Zoro is that he's an M1 character. Don't try to just use your moves to get moves off. You have to M1 and then combos off of the M1s. Yeah, so try not to just try not to be dumb in using moves the wrong way. But I haven't quite. I might do regular Zoro after this, because if I do regular Zoro after this, it'd be pretty nice. I don't know how to use either of these guys. I just M1. But some people don't like the M1, so I have to play this. I'll play the weird way in which people run away, so I will run away. Hopefully I won't have to do that though. Okay, yeah. I'm convinced. Some people just love to play like this. I don't know why. What?! Use it. Use it. Use it. Use it. Use it. Come on. I don't even want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. Okay, I just need a moment to collect myself. Just a moment to collect myself. I won't do what I did last match. I won't lose. I'll try not to lose. If I'm finding the same person, I didn't look at the name. If I'm finding the same person, I know what to do. I know what to do. What is this? Why did I? Okay, I was trying to air combo, but it didn't work. Did it again. It's fine. Definitely didn't sell that stock. Definitely not. Definitely. Ooh. It's fine. It's fine. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I just have to end this. What is the hitbox on that? Odd? I think that's a bit odd to use that move. It's a bit odd to use mode already. Why would you pop it before me? I might not have it, but I'm about to get it. I'm gonna get it if you just... I'm gonna get it eventually. It's not like I'm not gonna get it. I'm probably not gonna pop it though until later. I just have to play. No. I can't die. It's alright. Boom! Boom! Hit him. Alright. Now, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pop this one move. Use it. Actually, no, I'm not gonna sell this. Boom! 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 Not dead yet, but close. Oh, come on! I forgot to record the first couple of the first part. I keep forgetting the air combo. I'll do that next time. Why won't he use the spin kick? I'm waiting for him to use the spin kick. Use it, use it, use it, use it. Use it. Why won't he use it? Thank you. I can still win. I can still win. I don't know why he's standing still, though. Okay. Is he trying to make me mode before? Oh, no, he wasn't. Oh, no! He's dead. He's dead. I'm killing him. I'm killing him. I'm gonna try to at least. No, 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 no! Boom! 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 Boom. I'm trying not to get hit by him because I know he's trying to hit some meteor stuff. Whatever it's called. Meteor hit. Hit and he's dead. Now I have to just figure out how to kill him without dying. What? Give me a second. I'm gonna do something real quick. I'm gonna do another video for this, but right now I'm just gonna test out some combos and see if they work. You know what? Next one, both on upwards. I might have to bring in my controller. Oh, hold up. No, not that. That's not true. That's not true either. Okay, it didn't even hit. That would not work. Wait, hold up. Oh, okay. I can do that. I can do that. I can do that. No. I'm just trying to test something out. Why am I recording this? I have no idea. I don't even know myself. I just decided to. Actually, hold on. Let me just showcase these moves. Because I might as well while I'm doing this. That move does about like 30 damage. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Not. Just use it. If you hit them back in air combo, I forgot to do it. If you hit the back in air combo and push them back and use it, you can hit it and then start your more combo. I'm not sure if you can start your more combo after that. But this is what I suggest you do. Not that. Actually, that would work. You could slam and then spin it. Next move is Tiger Hunt. It's just ideal for combos. Next one is Yahakadori or whatever the move is called. That was racist. Anyways, Yakadori, yeah, Yakadori is called. Anyways, last move for the 1,000-pound mix. I already showed that move when I did it in an air combo, but I'm just gonna do one combo and then I'm gonna end it.